Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about the Jetson Nano. This is the Jetson Nano. So to start with, you need a micro USB cable like this one. I'm going to show you. Oop, like this one. Make sure that it is not only for power, but to transfer data. Also, I have this webcam camera that we are going to use. And I posted you a video for the setup, and you need a display and a mouse and a keyboard. So we are going to use this notebook to control the Jetson Nano through the terminal, through the SSH. For Macs and Linux, we're going to use the terminal, but for Windows, you are going to use the PowerShell. To get into the Nano, we are going to use this code, but instead of username, you have to put the name of your Jetson when you set up. For that, we are going to go to the terminal here. We're going to use the same code, which is SSH NVIDIA, which is the name of my Jetson and the IP that I showed you before. I just run this. I have to put my password, and there we have. We are into the Jetson. Okay. I already did it, but for the application that I'm going to show you, you should follow this indication. So you have to make a directory name and be DLI/data, and to download the Docker container, you need for the first time Ethernet cable. If you want some more information about this Docker, which is the URL, this is the web page, and there are more information about the Docker container. It is not loading. Yeah, there it is. So I'm going to use the DLI, getting started with AI on Jetson Nano, and here are some information about the Jetson. Also here are the indications, the same indication that I posted in the Jupyter notebook. And if you have a CSI camera, you should follow these indications. Okay, I'm going to use Jupyter notebook to show you the application. And for that, I'm going to go to my Jetson. These are the files that I have it. So I'm going to run this line because I already downloaded everything. I'm going to put my password on it. And there we go. The Jetson is like the Jupyter is not going to open in the same on the same browser because I have already some Jupyter notebooks open right here. But I'm going to use another browser. I just copy the IP. I'm going to paste it, and here we go. The password is the DLI Nano. I'm going to put it here, and we are in the Jetson. We are running the application that we download from that Docker. And to try the camera, we're going to get into this folder, Hello Camera, and we're going to try the USB camera because that's the camera that I have. To make sure that the device is available, we are going to run this line of code, and the output should be the same as this. It is the same. I'm going to run this line, Jetcam USB import USB camera. Those are the dimensions of the webcam of the picture that we're going to take. These are the white is here, the height is here, true pixel. Those are RGB pixels, red, gray, and black. The shape of the camera, well, it's the same. We're doing the same. We're going to get the same information right here. And that's a picture that I'm taking. I'm going to take another one, and I'm going to create a new view for this. I'm going to put it right here. I wanted to check because I took one picture, right? And if I want the camera running, I'm going to run this code, and it's running. And if I want to pause it, I pause it with this. Or another way to stream the images is with this lines of code, which, yep. And if you want to unlink, it is this. And if you want to link it again, you can link it again. And then that way we tried our camera. And now we're going to go to our classification example in here. However, you want to remember that we use the camera on this notebook, and we can't use the camera in another notebook if the camera is already running on another one. So I'm going to close it. And in this button to the left, I'm going to make sure that this kernel session is shutting down. So I shut down this. And my only notebook active is this classification interactive. Again, we are going to check our device number. We are going to use to specify the dimensions of the camera, and we're going to read the USB camera in this case. And in these examples, we are going to use an example which is called thumbs up and thumbs down, which the task is thumbs. We have two categories, two thumbs up and thumbs down. We are going to have two data sets, but I only prepare one of this. And these are some transformations that we're going to use. These are the data set because we're going to create some folders for thumbs up and thumbs down. Okay, so I'm going to run this line. I'm with this line, I'm going to set up the directory location. If there is not already, I have it, but just going to run it just in case. And okay, so we are going to create a collection to the widget, which I'm going to show you done at the end. That's what we're going to use. And this is the model. We are going to use ResNet 18. And yeah, these are the buttons that we're going to use later. And we can save the model, load the model, which is great because you don't need to have all the pictures and on your device. You only can load your model, and the classification is going to be done. Live execution, we're going to use this live execution because we are going to have a live camera right here, and to predict how accurate is our model. And in this part, we are going to define our trainer, which at the beginning we're going to use Adam. And if you want to use SGD, you can just uncomment this and use SGD, and you should comment this again. That's basically what we're going to do. We have a couple of lines here, which are related with this interface as well. So here is an explanation of how the interactive tool is going to work. And I'm going to display everything. So I already have 43 pictures and thumbs up and 37 thumbs down. I'm going to add some pictures to be balanced, and already this is pretty good balance. Okay, so I have it there. I'm going to use 5 epochs, and I'm going to train our model. So I'm going to pause the video until it is done. So look at that. We have accuracy of 1 and loss of 0.00098 for the 5 epochs. I think this is the last one. And we have our model here, which we can save it if we want it. And at the next time, we don't need to train the whole data set. We only need to load the model. So I'm going to start this, which is good. Well, there's something wrong because there's nothing here, but the accuracy of thumbs down is right there. So look at it. It is good. Thumbs up, 99%. What happened there? If they can see, okay. What about thumbs down? It looks pretty good. What about in the middle? What about, ooh. So it seems like there's a problem when there is not thumb, or no, I don't show my hand. It seems like it's classified as thumb down, which is a problem, and I can fix it. But I wanted to show you where the pictures that I have, which are here. No. Yep. Here's my model. Oop. Here's my pictures of thumbs up and thumbs down. And yeah, there we go. You can check it one by one if you want it. And yep. Okay, that was something that I wanted to show you. We're going to check it this in class. and I hope you enjoy it.